Hi everyone, Bill Nye here. Let's talk about ears. Ears are amazing. They are one of the most fascinating parts of our body. They let us hear all the cool sounds in the world. We hear birds singing, music playing, and friends talking. Imagine the joy of listening to your favorite band live or the soothing sound of nature. All of these experiences are possible because of our ears. They capture sound waves and send them to our brain, allowing us to understand and enjoy the world around us. Ears are delicate and important. They are made up of tiny parts that work together to help us hear. It's crucial to take good care of them. They help us learn and grow. In school, we listen to our teachers and classmates, which helps us understand new concepts and ideas. Imagine not being able to hear your favorite song or a funny joke. Hearing is a big part of what makes life enjoyable and fun. That's why we need to protect our ears, especially from loud noises. Loud sounds can damage the tiny parts inside our ears, leading to hearing loss. Taking care of our ears means we can keep enjoying all the wonderful sounds around us. So remember to wear ear protection in noisy places and keep the volume down when listening to music. Let's keep our ears healthy and happy. Did you know that loud noises can hurt your ears? It's true. Think about a fire truck siren. It's so loud it can hurt your ears. Loud noises can damage the tiny hairs inside your ears that help you hear. When these hairs are damaged, it's hard to hear properly. Sometimes, loud noises cause your ears to ring. That's called tinnitus, and it can be very annoying. Remember, protecting your ears from loud noises keeps those tiny hairs safe and sound. The good news is that we can protect our ears from loud noises. Loud noises can be harmful, especially for young ears, but with the right protection, we can keep our hearing safe and sound. There are special things called ear protectors that help us do just that. These come in various shapes and sizes, and they're designed to reduce the amount of noise that reaches our ears. One type of ear protector is called earplugs. Earplugs are very handy and can be used in many different situations, like at concerts, during fireworks, or even when you're mowing the lawn. Earplugs are small and soft, and they fit right inside your ears. They are made from materials like foam or silicone, which makes them comfortable to wear for long periods. They block out loud noises so your ears stay safe. By reducing the volume of the noise, earplugs help prevent damage to your hearing. Another type is called earmuffs. Earmuffs are great for situations where you need to protect your ears from very loud sounds, like at a construction site or during a loud sporting event. Earmuffs are like headphones that cover your whole ears. They have a band that goes over your head and cushioned cups that fit snugly over your ears. They muffle loud sounds, making them easier on your ears. Earmuffs are especially useful for children because they are easy to put on and take off. Some people even use special noise-canceling headphones. These are a bit more advanced and use technology to reduce unwanted noise. These headphones use technology to block out loud noises while still letting you hear music or other sounds. They are perfect for studying in noisy places or for long trips where you want to enjoy your music without distractions. Section 4. Where to use ear protection. There are lots of places where it's important to wear ear protection. If you're going to a concert or a place with loud music, wear earplugs or earmuffs. Construction sites and factories have lots of loud machines. Workers in these places always wear ear protection to keep their ears safe. Even mowing the lawn or using power tools can be loud. It's a good idea to wear earplugs or earmuffs when you're doing these activities. Section 5. What happens if you don't protect your ears? If you don't protect your ears from loud noises, you might have trouble hearing later on. Loud environments like concerts or construction sites can cause permanent damage to your hearing if you're not careful. It's like turning the volume down on your ears. Things sound quiet and muffled. Imagine trying to listen to your favorite song, but it sounds like it's playing from another room. Some people experience ringing in their ears called tinnitus that just won't go away. This constant ringing can be incredibly frustrating and can interfere with daily activities. This can make it hard to concentrate or even sleep. Imagine trying to do your homework or get a good night's rest with a persistent ringing in your ears. Protecting your ears now means you can keep enjoying all the sounds you love for years to come. Whether it's the laughter of children, the rustling of leaves in the park, or your favorite music, taking care of your hearing ensures you won't miss out on these precious moments. Section 6. Keep those ears safe. Remember, protecting your ears is super important. Loud noises can be fun, but they can also hurt your ears if you're not careful. So next time you're around loud noises, remember to wear your earplugs or earmuffs. Your ears will thank you for it. Keep those ears safe and sound and keep on exploring the amazing world of sound.